Hello, builders. I normally get up early in the morning before my alarm rings at 5 o'clock. Today, when the alarm rang at 5, I stopped the alarm and thought that I'll sleep for some more time. And by the time my eyes opened, it was already 6:20. Then a thought came to my mind that I will join the 7:30 batch. Normally, I joined the 6:30 and the first batch of Saurabh Sir's yoga. But my conscience for consistency won over me, and I hurriedly brushed my teeth, washed my face, combed my hair, and donned the yoga attire, and I was ready on the yoga mat at 6:28. In time for short breathing, Thanksgiving session, as well as prayers, and then completed the yoga session as usual. Thank you, Saurabh sir, for instilling consistency in my mind and body. Bye.